Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hafiz. So in this video we will learn how to set up the database in Laravel. In the previous video we have already learned how to create the route middleware in Laravel. So in this video we will first of all we will create the database, and after that we will set up the database in Laravel, and then we will show the record from the database. So let us start. For that we need to open the project which we have already created in the previous video. So this is the fresh Laravel project which we have already installed in the previous video. So we will use this database Laravel app which I have already created. So this database have the by default table, field jobs, migrations, and password resets and users. So we will show these two records from the database in Laravel application. So let us open the editor. So let us see how to set up the database in Laravel. For that we need to set up the database connection in env.env file. So in this field we will set up the database name, database username, and database password. First of all, Laravel app. This is our database name, Laravel app, and by default username is root and password is blank. So close this file. So let us open the controller, user controller, which we have already created in the previous video. So let us open the route. First of all we create the route, open the route and web.php. Route get users and controller name, user controller class, and in the second parameter we will pass the name of function, this one, semicolon, and save this file. So let us test. Save this file, users. Now you can see this is working. So let us see our database is connected with application or not. For that we will return records. db table get, and in the table we will pass the name of table, users. This one, table name is users. This one we will pass the name of the table in this query builder. So in the upcoming video we will learn all the CRUD operations in the Laravel. So don't worry, this is only for testing purpose. So let us test. So let us refresh. It will throw the error. So let us check. So you can see this is throwing the error. Actually this is don't know where is the db class. So let us import the db class in our controller. use db semicolon, save this file. So let us again refresh. Now you can see we have got the two records, id1 and id2. You can see id1 and id2. So in this video we have learned how to set up the database in Laravel applications, and also we have learned how to show the records from the database in Laravel application. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And in the upcoming video we will learn all the CRUD operation using Laravel model migration, and also we will learn each and every topic from the scratch. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share this video. Thank you.